Your kitchen might be spotless, but if you do this one thing regularly, you could be polluting your indoor air without even knowing it. Let's talk about cooking, especially at high heat. When you fry, sear, or broil food, especially with oils, it releases tiny particles and gases into the air. You might notice the smell or maybe a little haze in the sunlight. That's indoor air pollution. Gas stoves in particular can release nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and formaldehyde. Even electric stoves produce heat-based particles that can hang in the air if there's poor ventilation. Ever notice the lingering smell of bacon hours after breakfast? That means particles are still in the air. And unless you're using a strong vent hood that pushes air outside, those particles are circulating through your home. Your HVAC filter will catch some of them, but not all. To help reduce this, use your range hood every time you cook, especially at high heat. If it just recirculates air instead of venting it outside, crack a window too. And make sure your HVAC filter has at least a MERV 8 rating so it can help catch the finer particles that come from cooking. We've got more air quality tips on Instagram and Facebook if you want to keep your home healthier with less effort. I'm Miranda, and in our next video, we'll break down the difference between HVAC filters and air purifiers. Because yes, there is a difference.